Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by to check out my recipes. I hope you enjoy them. So for today's recipe, we're going to be making a strawberry brie spring mix salad. This salad reminds me of summer quite a lot. It's like a summer inspired salad because it's very colorful. As you can see, we have some green colors, yellows and reds in the salad. So very rainbow-like, very much summer-like. As well as, of course, in summer, the strawberries come into season, so they're very sweet and nice. And since the salad has strawberries, it really reminds me of summertime. Also, I should mention that this salad would be very, very nice for the summer barbecues. It goes really well together with steak or some kind of chicken or meat that you may grill on the outdoor grill. And of course, like I said, it's a very beautiful summer salad. So this salad, I'm going to show you ingredients like always, and I'm going to show you ingredients to make one individual salad because this salad, you'll see it is very nice to serve this salad individually on a separate plate for each person. It just looks better that way. So let's like always start with the ingredients. So the first thing we have here is just a spring mix salad. You can buy it at any grocery store, comes in a plastic box. And of course, it is better to use this. You get more nutrients this way because it has a lot of different salads. Plus it looks pretty because it has different color lettuce leaves. So this one has like spinach and radish leaves. So that's the first ingredient you're going to need. So you just place them on a plate like this to make one salad for one person. The next thing you're going to need are some cherry tomatoes. So I have yellow, they're a little bit orange-like tomatoes. These are really, really sweet tomatoes. That's why I really like them. But you can also use the regular red cherry tomatoes. Now you need about a half of a boiled egg. I boiled my eggs for 7 minutes or 8 minutes. So just half of a boiled egg. I already sliced mine in half because that's all we're going to be using. Of course, you need strawberries. So just some strawberries that I found at the store. Now you're also going to need some Brie cheese. And this is like a softer kind of cheese. This is also double cream cheese. I prefer my Brie to be double cream. I find it just tastes better. And the very last thing you're going to need for this awesome salad is this honey Dijon vinaigrette. So it's a dressing for a salad. Yes, it is store-bought, but I really enjoy this dressing. And actually, I really like dressings by this company. I think it's Rene or Renez. I'm sorry, not sure how to pronounce it. But all of their dressings are really good, like their Caesar dressing and ranch dressing and blue cheese. So you should definitely try them out. Okay, so now I'll just show you how to put the salad together. So let's work on it together. So let's cut up some of the vegetables. So just the tomatoes, you just want to cut them in half, just like that. That's all we want to do. So I'm using about 6 cherry tomatoes here, and we're just cutting them like this, so they're just like that. Okay. The next thing, the egg, since I already halved mine, all we want to do is half it again. So basically we just want 2/4 for each individual salad. So just like that. And then strawberries. If you had whole strawberries, you can quarter them or you can slice them. But mine, I'm just going to slice thin because mine were already bought, cut up with other fruits in a little bowl ready to go just because there were no nice strawberries right now. I mean, they're not yet in season. So I'm just going to slice mine. Okay. And now you just want to cut up your Brie cheese. So the Brie cheese is very soft, so just try and carefully cut like little slices. So I'm just gonna try and cut it this way. Kind of sticks to the knife a little bit usually, but you can just take it off with your fingers. So I'm just gonna do maybe 6 or so slices for one salad. Okay, now we have all the ingredients cut up, so let's just put it all on the salad and put some dressing on top. Okay, so let's just start with maybe some tomatoes. And really you just want to spread it out kind of evenly, just so it looks nice. So maybe something like this. And then let's add the cheese kind of in between the tomatoes. So just like that. And then of course the strawberries. They're really good for some extra taste, but also they make the salad look very pretty and summer-like. Okay, and I'm just gonna place my eggs, I think just like that in the middle here. So I'll just put on a dressing on the salad. Of course you wanna shake the bottle just to make sure it all mixes well. And this is a kind of a thicker type dressing. Of course, you can always put salt and pepper on your salad, but to me, this dressing is fine as it is, so I don't add any extra salt. So you just want to spread a little bit just all around. And that's all. So it's all ready, so let me just show you how it looks up close. So there we go. This is a strawberry brie spring mix salad, summer inspired, great for your barbecues. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. And if you like salads like this, just give me a like and I'll make more salads for you soon. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.